It's Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with something you might want to do on an annual basis to help your space stay organized. And this one is super quick and easy, but really important. And that is, you need to look at your town or your city website and find out when the hazardous waste pickup day is. Generally speaking, there will be one day a year where you can drive by, and usually they'll come get it out of your car or you put it in a designated area. And this is for things like pesticides, fertilizers, paints, particularly spray paint, solvents, motor oil, CFC light bulbs. Depending on where you live, it might be difficult to dispose of some of these on a sort of ongoing basis. So what you really want to do is make sure you have this day in your calendar. It can differ where you live on when this day is. Usually it's the spring or the summer. If you're lucky, you may live in an area where you have a couple of town days that you're allowed to access. This habit will not take much time. Just put a reminder on your phone to look up when the day is. You don't want to miss it, especially if you have a move upcoming. You don't want to be down and decluttered and packed and then have this accumulated box of hazardous waste because the movers won't take it. And maybe you're going to be gone by the time the next hazardous pickup day comes. So always have this on your calendar. Make it a priority to take advantage of it every year. This is the safe and right thing to do, and it doesn't take a lot of time. In fact, you could go look up your town's day as soon as you finish watching this video. Get it on your calendar so you won't miss it.